discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.